As I told you, some setting of WhatsApp hidden setting in part 1. Today I will take more setting which left yesterday. That is, I told you about the account setting and the chat setting, and now today I will take the setting of notification, and that is very important for all viewers. First is notification setting, is conversation tone. Play sound for incoming and outgoing notification is very essential. By sound you come to know that some notification has come in your phone. Then message notification to message notification to tone, that is choose an action, record, set application, music, set any music song. Then notification tone online local ringtone, file manager set audio file. So these are the options: recorder, music, notification tone, and file manager, in which we set the some sound which we recognize that this is the notification sound. So when that sound comes from phone, then we come to know that there is some notification. Then vibrate, it must be off or default. um, you can set it off or default. Then you have a setting of then long and short vibration, and vibration help you in places where you attend the meeting and all. That time the ringtone is not allowed. Then pop-up notification, for that you can set non-pop-up, only when screen on, only when screen off, always show pop-up. And so generally we set no pop-up. Light, we can set none, white, red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple. Generally we set the white light. Then use high priority notification. High priority means ki very important. Show previews of notification at the top of the screen. So the priority notification come on the top of the screen. You can enable or disable this facility, this setting. Then data and storage usage. Usage means how much memory you have used during working in your computer. First is network usage. It inform about sent and received data capacity in MB or GB or in KB. And then storage usage is tell about whole total usage of your RAM or memory or storage place. Then media auto download, when you set the media auto download, that it will come automatically. Voice message is always download automatically for best communication, because for the communication you need the voice message to download itself automatically. When using mobile data, कब मोबाइल डेटा को यूज़ करें, फ़ोटो में, ऑडियो में, वीडियो में, डॉक्यूमेंट में, कब इसको यूज़ करें। व्हेन यूजिंग वाईफाई क्या सेट करें। जनरली हम इन सब को सेट नहीं करते हैं, नो मीडिया कर देते हैं, क्योंकि इस सब को डाउनलोड करने में बहुत मेमोरी लगती है। व्हेन यूजिंग वाईफाई, then we set photo, audio, video, document which you want. Generally people take all these things because these days the chatting is very essential for everyone, but by default there is no media. When roaming, then you must not set these video and photo if it is not very essential, because it's take too much data of the mobile, and it will discharge your battery. Call setting. Low data usage should be enabled. to reduce the data usage in call. Then help, send you online. Help, there are so many facility, that is a FAQ, frequent asked question. As you press it, it will send you on the online. There you can see the frequent asked question, and you can inquire about your queries there. And there are pre-made a question, and when you type it, then the several answers will come and you will rectify your problem. Then contact us means question which you need for help, you can send to the online. Term and privacy policy online, it is all these facilities are online, in which you have to inquire each and everything online. App information, WhatsApp Messenger, it shows the WhatsApp Messenger version, or what you are using, tell about the, and also tell about the license. Tell the WhatsApp Messenger version. Then invite a friend by following messaging, Gmail, internal storage. You can inform any friend to come on the WhatsApp by using messaging, Gmail, internal storage, note, share me, newsfeed, light, and messenger. All these are facilities through which you can invite to your friend. I forgot to tell you about the create new group, or I can say if you have not a contact, then how you can create the group. So I take this topic and on in the last, to create the new group. For that you have to follow these steps. Go to the chat tab in WhatsApp, then tap more option, then you will get a new group. Alternatively, tap new chat, then new group, then search for the selected contact to add to the group, then tap the green arrow on the right hand side like share, then enter a group subject for which you're making, you are making a group for which subject, then tap the green check marks when you are finished. Green check mark, when you tap, then the tick will come in green, and when you tick it, then it creates the group. There you can make an admin, and you can add the chat person who want who to whom you want to add, and then the group will form for some purpose like teaching of classes, like club person make the group, and many more things you can do in this group. So today's lecture is closed, and I have finished all the setting of the WhatsApp, which is very helpful to you. So kindly read this video and comment, and ask me a question if any, and then subscribe and share. Please promote my video. Thank you.